And on this video, I'm gonna show you how I upgrade my Mangoal 4K dashcam with the optional GPS antenna. I will recommend that you watch my full review video for this so you can see how it works. I'll put a link to that video in the description down below. I'm also gonna place links to both the GPS antenna and the Hardwire kit in the description down below in case you need to get one. And I'm gonna begin by routing the GPS antenna, starting here and then moving in this direction. Now before I start doing this, I'm gonna disconnect the vehicle's battery for safety. And one of the cables coming from the Mangoal dashcam is labeled GPS, and there is a tiny little arrow on it, and here is the connector from the GPS antenna, and it also has a tiny little arrow on there. And if I line up both of the arrows, then I'm able to push the connectors in together, making that connection. And the Mangoal dashcam does include the trim tool that allows me to push the cable into the headliner. However, I can also do it with my fingers. I just kind of gently push that cable in there as I start to move towards the left side of the vehicle. And I'm gonna just continue to head in this direction, tucking that cable into the headliner and then down this A-pillar. And most of the time I'm able to do this just by hand. However, the trim tool does help to kind of insert it, especially if it's a little bit tight, as I head down in this direction. And before I fully insert this into the trim, I do want to show you that the GPS antenna does have double-sided tape in the back. The idea is that I can peel this and then attach it to the dash so it's not rattling or moving around. Now, I actually don't do that, and that's just because I don't like to stick things to my dash, but the instructions do call for this to be peeled so this can be attached and secured. Now, here's a good example where the trim is kind of loose towards the top, so I'm able to do it by hand, but as it gets towards the bottom, it starts to get tighter, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the tool to kind of help to lift on that trim, and then I can kind of tuck that cable away into it. So I'm gonna position that cable in here, and I'm gonna use the trim tool to hide and conceal that. A little bit more, that's it. And with the GPS antenna connected, notice that we get an additional option in the settings menu, and that is speed unit, that allows you to switch between kilometers an hour or miles per hour, because the dashcam is now recording our speed and our coordinates. So I really think that the GPS upgrade is worth it, especially if you're looking to capture that extra information. And if you guys have any other questions regarding this, please put that in the comments also. And if you found any part of this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button to support the channel, and stay tuned as I have a lot more dashcam videos coming up. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.